Solve the equation. Solution. 8 divided by x plus 6 equals to 2 divided by x. Now we can write 6 as 6 divided by 1. So the LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. And what are the denominators? We have x, 1, and x. So it means the terms involved in the denominators are mainly 1 and x. So LCM of 1 and x will give us 1 times x. That is equals to x. So the next thing for us is to multiply all through by x. Multiply all through by x. Multiplying all through by x, we have x times 8 over x plus x times this next term, 6 divided by 1, then x times 2 divided by x. We now have x here 1, x here 1. Now x here 1, x here 1. 1 here 1, x divided by 1 is still x. So we have 8, that's 1 times 8, we have 8, plus x times 6, we have 6x. 1 times 2, we have 2. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms, we have what? 6x equals to, we are going to take 8 to the right. And that is going to be what? 2 minus 8. Now 6x will be equals to what? What is 2 minus 8? That is minus 6. The next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 6. So dividing both sides by 6, minus 6 divided by 6. So 6 here 1, 6 here 1. 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So it means that x equals to what? Minus 1. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.